If I say duck, jump. So we've got stop means go, go means stop, duck means jump, jump means duck. You've got to think, okay? Ready? Stop. Duck. 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 Go. Duck. Duck. Jump. Stop. So, stop means go means stop, duck means jump, jump means duck. So if I was to say forwards, what would you do? You go backwards. And if I say backwards, you go forwards. Okay. Right.
Get ready for the pile up.
Remember that? Okay, forwards.
We're going to be saying stop them and they're going to be running.
Make sure you look where you're going.